Namaskar, wish you all a scintillating morning. My name is Deepak Sharma. I am the English coach, the master trainer in this orientation program Batch 24 for females, which is being conducted at Bhavrao Devras Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Noida. And today we are having a wonderful activity. You can see behind me, this is challenger versus defender. Nidhi ji is the challenger. She has challenged Payal. Right? So I hope you are going to have a wonderful debate. And the topic they are going to discuss, that is co-education. Boys and girls, they should study together or they should study in the separate schools. Nidhi, your team is supporting co-education.
Yes.
And Payal, your team is saying that co-education is not good.
Yes.
Separate education is
Yes.
better. I would request Nidhi ji to take right.
In my opinion, co-education is good because it builds up confidence in all students.
Okay. So first of all, I would like to define separate education. So separate education is one in which boys and girls are studying separately, not together. So in my view, the separate education is best. Like the students can be more focused.
In my opinion, co-education is very good for the children because they are learn many skills of the communication and the build up confidence as they say.
Yeah, they can build confidence and develop skill even in the separate education.
But in co-education, it breaks also gender stereotypes, which we can see that there are many gender stereotypes have been followed. So in co-education, we break this. We break this thing, like gender stereotype is going everywhere. So in our NEP 2020, it's also written that gender stereotype is not good.
According to me, separate education is better because of you tell that confidence come to talk with each other, but it's not. Confidence come with a better study. Not only talk with the girls and boys.
So in my
So that's
my point of view, when there are boys and girls remains in a class, so they will develop their skill by interacting with each them, and they can develop their personality by understanding them. Like when they are in the same room, they will know what is the problem of everyone. So their mentality will be grown in that way.
That's no issue. There is topics is that like in bio is not.
Like the teacher is not able to teach some topics.
There are so many
Yes,
topics
some
when boys
topics,
and girls.
boys and girls.
That's why co-education is compulsory because it's remove our hesitation. Teachers should be fluent. So any kind of hesitation is not good for a teacher. So
Many students are like less ages than they attracted with any other gender. Then will behave like a criminal, like an acid attack and other many activities.
it also happen in separate education. Like we can see when a boy or a girl study in class 12 up to class 12 in a separate education. So when they will go for their further studies and when they see the opposite type of gender, at that time they will face many types of problems. They will mostly attracted towards them and when the time of career build-up will come, so at that time they will get distracted.
But
This
at
is
that
come
time
with
It's a biological impact, right? When biologically you
but
grow.
at this age, like you were saying, na, like when we go to college and we have the boys and girls studying together. But at this age, we become adult, more mature. But in the school time, like we are not mature, we can do so many mistakes in presence of like boys and girls are studying together.
I don't agree with you because they are
Actually, Payal is saying that if money is lost, nothing is lost, health is lost, something is lost, character is lost, everything is lost. And basically when boys and girls they study together, especially when biologically the changes are coming in their body, right? So at that time they get distracted and their character gets spoiled.
Yes.
At a very
This is
early age.
what
Because
they
of
are.
13 and 19 years age is the teenagers. That's why this age is very
That's why peer group is most
sensitive age.
important. That's why peer group is most important. That they can share their feelings to each other, and they will know that what biological changes are going in ourselves, and they can improve themselves. Like
This is not compulsory that we are explained every time every person
Like,
every girls
there
and
are-
boys.
in the co-education, children are also very going to the further education and the further values of things, and they are very initiative.
In my view, they can share their feeling comfortably in presence of the same gender.
No, I'm not agreeing with you.
I don't agree.
I don't agree with you. Like when there are two types of people, they will interact with them, so they will know their other opinion, what the mindset of other person is having, and they will develop their skill. When they will face interview in their future, so at the present scenario, like when you will be I have completed my plus two com also co-education. Like so, you can see that I can talk to anyone without any education. And when someone is doing study from a separate education, so they will not able to speak fluently in front of everyone. Like
Nidhi is saying that don't you think male and female both are equal? If brothers and sisters can study at home together, like Vidya Bharati is having a concept of calling Bhaiya Bahan to each other. What exactly is the problem if they are studying together?
But even in the Vidya Bharati schools, there are separate schools exist.
But
for
my
the-
school is co-ed.
Yeah, your school is
Your
co-ed.
school is co-ed or not?
No, my school is not co-ed,
Okay.
and this school is co-ed. But I have seen the classes here in this school also. Like boys are sitting in the separate row, and the girls are sitting in the separate row.
Where?
Even in this
In my school?
Yes, I
I'm
have.
sorry,
seen,
it is
I have,
co-ed.
It is co-ed, but I have
It can be
visited.
an illusion or
I have visited the classrooms.
maybe a
But I
particular
have seen
class.
the boys are sitting in the separate row and girls are
हाँ,
sitting in the
rows
separate
are separate, but classroom is same.
So why they are sitting separate?
Correct.
In the ancient time, in 1714, the first co-education organization established in London. As the name of this school, the Croydon.
What?
They are Croydon. Also, they provide the co-education.
But we are in the India.